Welcome to MotoZone Official. This time we will discuss about 2026 Honda XL750 Transalp will shock ADV riders. Honda arrived at EICMA with plenty of futuristic talking points, from electric concepts to experimental powertrains, but the brand hasn't lost sight of the motorcycles that define its global success. For 2026, Honda officially brings back one of its most respected middleweight adventure bikes, the XL750 Transalp. A name deeply rooted in adventure touring heritage, the Transalp returns not with radical redesigns, but with smart, rider-focused technology that enhances everyday usability while preserving its proven ADV DNA. The headline update for the 2026 XL750 Transalp is the introduction of Honda's innovative e-clutch system. First seen on the CB650R and CBR650R, this electronic clutch technology makes its debut on a 750cc adventure motorcycle. The system allows riders to shift gears without manually pulling the clutch lever, automatically managing clutch engagement during starts, stops, and gear changes. Whether you're pulling away from a standstill, stopping in traffic, or restarting on a steep incline, the bike seamlessly handles clutch operation, no hunting for neutral required. Traditionalists will be happy to know the clutch lever remains fully functional, and with a simple press of the manual switch on the left handlebar, riders can override the system at any time. Unlike the CB650 models, the XL750 Transalp features ride-by-wire throttle, allowing the e-clutch to work even more intelligently. The system actively blips the throttle and matches engine revs to rear wheel speed for exceptionally smooth downshifts. Honda also highlights a major advantage for off-road riders: smoother and more controlled upshifts while the rear wheel is spinning. By monitoring both front and rear wheel speeds, the e-clutch adapts its behavior to maintain traction and stability, making technical terrain easier to manage. Beyond the e-clutch, updates for 2026 are subtle but meaningful. A skid plate now comes standard, reinforcing the Transalp's off-road readiness, while the Showa suspension is now fully adjustable, offering riders greater flexibility to tune the bike for touring, commuting, or trail exploration. Honda hasn't shared detailed specifications on the suspension changes, but the upgrade signals a stronger focus on rider customization. The 2026 model also introduces 3 new color options with exclusive graphics, though availability may vary by market. Mechanically, the XL750 Transalp remains reassuringly familiar. Power comes from the proven 755cc liquid-cooled parallel twin engine housed in a steel frame, paired with a 43mm inverted front fork and a 21-inch front wheel, an ideal setup for mixed on-road and off-road riding. The ride-by-wire system unlocks 6 riding modes, along with 5 levels of traction control integrated with wheelie control, 3 power delivery settings, and 3 levels of engine braking. A slipper clutch, dual front disc brakes, and a crisp 5-inch TFT color display round out the package. The 2026 Honda XL750 Transalp isn't about reinventing the adventure motorcycle, it's about refining a formula that already works. With the addition of e-clutch technology and thoughtful equipment updates, Honda has made the Transalp more approachable, more versatile, and even more capable, without sacrificing the rugged reliability that riders around the world have come to trust.